Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is peripheral nervous system. Our nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is that nervous system which consists of neurons and ganglion. On the other hand, central nervous system is consists of brain and spinal cord. Human nervous system or animal nervous system is divided into two categories: central nervous system that we discussed in previous lectures, and today our topic is peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is consists of neurons. There are three types of neurons: sensory, motor and associative. Peripheral nervous system is consists of sensory neuron and motor neuron. The bundles or bundle of axons or dendrite of neuron is known as nerve. नर्व के जो एक्सॉन्स, हमने न्यूरॉन का स्ट्रक्चर डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है, उसका जो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल पार्ट होता है फाइबर, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सॉन. और जो सेल बॉडी से छोटे छोटे फाइबर निकल रहे होते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? डेंड्राइट. उन एक्सॉन्स और डेंड्राइट का जो बंडल होता है और उसके ऊपर माइलिन की शीट चढ़ी हो, तो दैट बंडल ऑफ एक्सॉन्स एंड डेंड्राइट इज नोन एज नर्व्स. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ नर्व्स. In some area of the body, in some parts of the body, the cell bodies of these nerves form cluster, and these clusters are known as ganglion. In some part of the body, the cell bodies of neuron की जो cell bodies होती हैं वो क्या बनाती हैं? Cluster, and these clusters are known as ganglion. There are, beside their functional type, sensory or motor neuron. Sensory neuron is that type of neuron which carry information from all part of the body to brain, and motor neuron is that neuron which carry messages or information from brain to all parts of the body or effector. There are some other kind of nerves. These nerves are divided on the basis of their origin. If these nerves are emerging from the brain, then these nerves are known as cranial nerves. If these nerves are emerging from the spinal cord, then these nerves are spinal nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर cranial nerves के कितने जोड़े होते हैं? 12. और spinal nerves के कितने जोड़े होते हैं? 31. This is an important MCQ. The number of spinal nerves is 31. The number of cranial nerves is 12. So this is all about nerves of peripheral nervous system. The neurons, especially motor neuron, further make up autonomous nervous system and autonomous nervous system is further divided into two types: sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Autonomous nervous system is further divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is that type of nervous system which arises from the middle portion of spinal cord and almost terminate in ganglion, and this nervous system accelerates heartbeat, dilate pupil and inhibit digestion of food. Sympathetic nervous system dilate pupil का साइज क्या करता है? बढ़ाता है. हार्ट बीट का रेट क्या करता है? ज़्यादा. और डाइजेशन को क्या करता है? इनहिबिट. Parasympathetic nervous system is opposite type of nervous system which contract the dilated pupil, जो फैले pupil को क्या करता है contract, हार्ट बीट को क्या करता है दोबारा से स्लो, और डाइजेशन के सिस्टम को क्या करता है दोबारा से रीऑपरेट और रीफंक्शनल। So to sum up, peripheral nervous system, there are two type of nervous system in human body: peripheral nervous system and spinal nervous system. Spinal nervous system is consist of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system is consist of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system is consist of neurons. There are two types of neuron: sensory neuron and motor neuron. Bundles of axons of sensory and motor neurons is known as nerves, and in some areas the cell bodies of neuron also make cluster, and these clusters are known as ganglion. There are two types of nerve: cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are 12 in number and spinal nerves are 31 in number. Cranial nerves are those nerves which arises from the brain. Spinal nerves are those nerves which arises from the spinal cord. Two types of nervous system are there, which is a type of autonomous nervous system, sympathetic, which operate during stress situation, and parasympathetic, which operate during रिलैक्स सिचुएशन, जब आपकी बॉडी क्या हो, रिलैक्स हो। तो जो स्ट्रेस के अंदर मैकेनिज्म होते हैं, डायलेशन ऑफ प्यूपल एंड इंक्रीज इन द रेट ऑफ हार्ट बीट एंड इनहिबिशन ऑफ डाइजेशन। उसके ऑपोजिट क्या होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ प्यूपल, स्लोइंग ऑफ हार्ट बीट एंड रीऑपरेशन ऑफ डाइजेशन। So this is all about our today's lecture in which we discussed peripheral nervous system.